Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy Note 9 Exynos chipset model, and I have flashed the Duhan ROM, which is One UI 7 Android 15. I have provided details in my video description. You can read the video description to know about this ROM. Galaxy Note 9 model name or number is S721B. This ROM is ported from the Galaxy S24 FE. One UI 7.0 Android 15. The Google Play system update should be updated by tapping on it, but internet must be connected. Baseband version provided, kernel version you can see this ROM coming with default pre-rotate and build number. If you can see that Duhan ROM version 4.0. The developer announced that the updates of the Duhan ROM version 4.1 is coming. Things which are not working with the current ROM, Duhan ROM version 4.0, will get fixed with the coming updated ROM version 4.1. Now, those who have Galaxy Note 9 Exynos chipset model, and if they want to update the mobile phone to One UI 7, then watch the further video. These are the files that we have to download. The cleaner file, the Duhan ROM version 4.0, which is Exynos 9810. Let me tell you that this ROM is only for the Exynos. This is not supported for the Snapdragon. And Odin 3.13.1, the patch TWRP repartitioner file, and the TWRP 3.7.0. The TWRP which I got is currently only for the Galaxy Note 9. If you have Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you need to download the TWRP accordingly. In case if you want to make the device certified, like if you want to get strong integrity fixed, then you need to download these module files. Yes, and we have to download the 1.0.8 KernelSU next version. This version is working actually with the Duhan ROM version 4.0. These are the modules, and we have to install in sequence like the way it is showing on your screen. Download these modules. Links are all provided in my video description, and then rename the files, each file like giving 01, 02, 03. We have to install these files in this way one by one. After downloading, we have to extract the Odin 3.13.1 first, then open the extracted folder of the Odin. Double click the Odin to open it. I will go back to my downloaded folder and click OK on this pop-up window. On Odin, you can click any slot, but I will go for the AP slot. I will click AP slot. Then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will double click to select the file TWRP 3.7.0, which is only for the Galaxy Note 9. Double click to select the file. The Odin is almost ready to flash the file, coming back towards the mobile phone. Now let me tell you that in case if your mobile phone is having a custom ROM, then your mobile phone OEM unlocking must be turned on. In case if your mobile phone is having a stock firmware, then you need to turn on the OEM unlocking. For example, this is only for those who have a stock firmware and the OEM unlocking is turned off, right? First of all, check the internet connection. It must be connected either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then save all the internal storage data before turning on the OEM unlocking. You need to save the data, otherwise the data will get formatted before flashing a custom ROM, right? Then go to settings and go to software information, like going to about phone, then go to software information and tap the build number for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The developer mode will get turned on. Then go back to settings and scroll down, tap the developer options. Here you will find OEM unlocking. So we have to turn on the OEM unlocking. In case if you have done the factory data reset, maybe the OEM unlocking will not show here. So you have to go back, must check the internet is connected, check the software and update for twice, then come back, tap the developer options. Definitely the OEM unlocking will be back. So turn on the OEM unlocking. So it will ask to do the factory data reset that you have to do, because we are not doing the factory data reset will not let OEM unlock to be turned on. Like after doing the data factory reset, when you set up the mobile phone, things are all ready, then must connect the internet first again on the mobile phone. After doing the data factory reset, then go to settings, again go to about phone, then go to software information, tap the build number for 7 times, check the software update for like twice or thrice, then come to the developer options and after you will see OEM unlocking will be prominent here and will be already turned on, so which will make the mobile phone like the KG state will become checking on Odin. If it is showing pre-normal, the recovery will not get flash. I hope you got my point. Now check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. If the mobile phone battery below 30%, make it charge. And those who are using a custom ROM, if in case if you have a data, then save the data because the data will get formatted. We have to flash the ROM neat and clean. Go to accounts backup, manage accounts, and sync your Google account once and then remove it to avoid issues. Then in case if you are using a Samsung account, also remove the Samsung account, because if the Samsung account still there, the TWRP will not get flash. Then go to settings and go to lock screen. Turn off the lock screen by selecting swipe, so it will remove the biometric also. Now things done very smoothly so far, and I can simply power off the mobile phone. So we have to boot the phone into Odin mode, and you need to check the data cable. Use a good quality of data cable, and the data cable other side must be connected with computer. So when you see that mobile phone totally gets power off, then press and hold the volume down key and Bixby key. Just check that the button must be pressed properly. Press the volume down key and Bixby key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds you will see a warning screen. Release both keys, then press the volume up key once to boot the phone into Odin mode. Press the volume up key once again to light up the screen. So this is the Odin mode screen of my mobile phone. You can see KG state showing checking. Phone is connected with computer, booted already in Odin mode. Odin also detected my mobile phone because I have installed the Samsung Android USB driver already on my Windows. On the Odin, click options and take the auto reboot, go back to lock, then click start to start flashing the custom recovery. When it is done, then click reset and click exit. Phone must be booted still into Odin mode. Now we have to boot the phone manually into TWRP from the Odin mode. Now need to check the buttons should be pressed properly so that it will boot into recovery. Otherwise, if the button didn't not working properly, the mobile phone will not boot into desired mode. Now press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, and Bixby key and power key. All four keys at same time. When mobile phone restart, first release the volume down key. Okay. Then wait. When Samsung logo appears, then release the power key. Okay. Now wait. Do not release the volume up key, Bixby key. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, I got the recovery screen. Release both keys. First of all, tap wipe, then tap format data, type YES, tap here. When done, then go back to main screen, and the internal storage must be appears on the computer screen. Go back to downloaded folder. Now first of all, we have to flash the patch twrp. Copy the patch twrp file from the computer hard drive downloaded folder and go back to the internal storage of the mobile phone and paste the file on the internal storage. When done, then come to the mobile phone screen, tap install, then select the patch twrv file and swipe to flash it. So when it is done, then tap go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. Swipe to allow modifications and the internal storage will appears on the computer screen. Go to the downloaded folder, then copy the repartitioner file first from the downloaded folder. Go to the internal storage of the mobile phone and paste the file on the internal storage. When done, then come to the mobile phone screen. Tap install, select the repartitioner file by tapping on it and then swipe to flash it. So the mobile phone will automatically restart or reboot the recovery when this flashing done. Okay, swipe to allow modifications. And now we have to do the format data once again. Tap wipe, tap format data, type YES over here, then tap here. Go back to main screen. you can see that internal storage will get in proper form. Now go back to the downloaded folder once again and copy the cleaner file from the downloaded folder of the computer hard drive. Then go to the internal storage of the mobile phone and paste the file on the internal storage. When it is done, then tap install on the mobile phone screen. Select the cleaner file by tapping on it and then swipe. Again, when it is done, the mobile phone will reboot the recovery automatically. Swipe to allow modifications. I will do the format data once again. I just want to make the flashing very neat and clean. Tap format data, type YES and tap here. And when it is done, then go back to main screen. There is no need to reboot the recovery. The internal storage get appears on the computer screen. Now go back to the downloaded folder and this time finally copy the Duhan ROM version 4.0 from the computer hard drive downloaded folder. Go back to internal storage and paste the ROM file on the internal storage. So file copying will take a time. We have to wait here. I got the file on my internal storage and I will unlock the TWRP screen. Then on the mobile phone screen, first tap wipe, then tap advanced wipe, select the first partition Dalvik, system, vendor, ODM, cache, data. These are the partitions that we have to select and then swipe to start wiping it. When done, go back to main screen, tap settings, then tap the third menu, make the screen time out to maximum, go back to main screen, tap install, select the Duhan ROM by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing it. Few languages provided. I will go with the English language. Next, next, tap I agree, then tap next. You can read if you want because all the things provided here. After reading this, then tap next. Once again, if you want to read right, then tap next, and once again then tap next. Now I have done already the data wiping or the formatting data everything, so I will not select anything here. I will leave the selection like it is. Tap next. If you want, you can do your own selection. Well, I have done the data wiping already. I will tap next. Now I will leave the previous CSC will be used. If you, in case if you country CSC you want to use, you can go for it. But I will advise you go with the previous, or you can select the auto, which also recommended. But I will leave the selection to previous. Tap next. Now here you can do your own selection. Whatever you want to select, it will come with the ROM, or whatever you do not want, just untick it, right? I will not do anything. I will simply tap next. Now here install the KernelSU next supported. I will advise you to go for with the first option, right? Next. I do not want to wipe anything. I have done already the wiping thing. Tap next. You can select your own selection the way you want. Tap next. Same thing here. If you want, you can do your selection. Tap next. Again, if you want anything to be changed, you can do your selection. Tap next. Same thing here once again. If you want, you can change anything here if you want. Otherwise, tap next. Again, tap next. Do your own selection. Tap next. Again, do your own selection. Tap next. Whatever you like, you can select. I will not change anything. I will tap next. And don't change anything. Stock Galaxy S9 Note 9 splash screen. This is the splash screen. If you want, you can change. Otherwise, do not change anything. I will go with the don't change anything. Tap next. Again, tap next, but read it first. Next. In case if you want, you can change the thing you want. Otherwise, leave the selection like it. Tap next. Again, read all the options over here. If you think anything you want to be added in your ROM, do the selection here. Tap next, and finally tap install. Now the flashing will get started. The ROM got flashed successfully. Reboot and enjoy. Tap next. Then don't tap here restart after setup, right? Just tap exit, go back to TWRP, unlock the TWRP screen, do nothing, just simply tap reboot system. Just check the cable is connected and will be connected with the whole procedure. So the mobile phone will stay little while on the Galaxy Note 9 logo, then it will start booting to the Duhan ROM version 4.0, One UI 7, Android 15. The first boot will take a little time. So I got the welcome screen of the One UI 7 on the Galaxy Note 9. It's complete the setup screen. The cable is connected, and the other side cable is connected with my computer. That is why this pop-up window came up that allow access to the phone data. I will allow because I will have to copy the integrity fix file on my mobile phone. Well, after flashing the ROM, you will see that there are missing applications with not proper icons. After connecting internet, it will automatically start downloading. So after when you see when the ROM gets flashed properly, you can see that yes, it is already done very smoothly. I will connect internet on my mobile phone first. So I have connected the internet on my mobile phone. I will go to settings, then we'll go to about phone. Galaxy Note 9, model number S721B, which is actually of the Galaxy S24 FE. Tap the software information, same ROM, One UI 7, invite 15. Yes, this system have to be updated after connecting internet. Tap on it, it will show updates available. Update it, it will ask reboot. You can do that. Basement version provided, kernel version, and the build number. You can see that Duhan ROM version 4.0. Now we have to fix the integrity, like making the device certified. Now first of all, I have to log in Gmail account. You can also log in your Gmail account to check the device certified. Okay, I have logged in my Gmail account, and you can see that cable is already connected. I will move towards my computer screen. So the internal storage got appears once again on my computer screen. I will go back to my downloaded folder, and this time I will open the integrity fix folder, and I will copy all the files like Zygis, the modules files, 8 modules files, and the KernelSU next. Copy these files from the downloaded folder, go back to the internal storage of the mobile phone, and paste the file. I will change the view. So I got all the files here. Okay, now I am done from the computer. I will disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone, starting the fixing the device or fixing the integrity of the mobile phone. Now first of all, tap settings, then go to display. I will bold the phones, and then I will go back and I will make the screen time out to like 5 minutes. You can change it later just to do the procedure properly, because if the screen is getting off again and again, it will irritate. So, starting the procedure, first of all I will open the Google Play Store to check the device integrity. Not now, settings, about, and you can see that right now showing device is not certified, right? Okay, search for INTEG integrity check, play integrity API checker. Tap on it and tap install. The application got installed. I will go back to main screen. Now go to menu first, then open the Samsung folder, and then open my files. Tap internal storage, tap essentials, then tap select all, and scroll down. First of all install the KernelSU next APK file. Tap on it, then tap settings, give permission, and tap install. Done. Tap done. Go back to main screen. In the menu, you will find the icon of the KernelSU next. Tap to open the KernelSU next. The 1.0.8 is properly working with the current Duhan ROM 4.0. You can see super user and module settings. These bar will not come right now with the updated version. Go with the 1.0.8. Now we have to install the modules. Tap the module section, then tap install, and tap recent here, then select the Galaxy Note 9. Change the view. You will see modules over here. Now we have to install the modules one by one in sequence, right? Selecting the 01 first module file by tapping on it, and tap OK to install it. We have to do the installing the modules in this way. When done, go back and tap install once again. Scroll down, select the second one, 02. Okay, remember, do not reboot now. Okay, when it is done, go back once again, tap install, scroll down, select the third one. Once again, go back, tap install, Scroll down, select the fourth one. Done. Go back, tab install. Scroll down, select the fifth file. Done. Go back, tab install. Scroll down, select the sixth file. Done. Go back, tab install. Scroll down, select the seventh one. Done. Go back, tap install. Now this time select the last one, the eighth one. When done, then go back to main screen of the KernelSU next. Go to home, then tap the power button here and tap reboot. So the mobile phone got rebooted after installing the KernelSU next and installing the all the modules. Now tap the KernelSU next to open it. Then tap the modules just to check the modules are properly working. If there is any red lines, which means that the modules is not compatible and it is not working. In my case, no module have a red line, means that they are all working perfectly. Now it is time to fix the strong integrity. First of all, tap the play integrity fix here, then tap open, wait for it. Okay, when you see the fonts got prominent, then tap the fetch pif json. Things started. Done. Right, now go back, then scroll down and tap the tricky store, then tap open, then tap the three lines over here, tap select all, then tap once again the three lines, tap deselect unnecessary, then once again tap three lines, tap set valid key box. Valid key box set successfully. Tap save, then tap the three lines once again, then tap set security patch, tap get security patch date, right? Then tap save. Done. Once again tap save. Done. Go back. Now tap on the URI keybox manager. You can read a systemless module to get strong integrity so easily, right? Tap on the first option. Done, right? Tap close. Go back to the main screen. Tapping on the Play Store, then tap the App Manager by tapping here. Scroll down, tap Storage, then tap Clear Data and delete. Clear the data of the Google Play Store. Go back, open the Integrity Checker, then tap Check. All the three options are having a green check sign. Meets basic integrity pass, meets device integrity pass, meets strong integrity pass. All things done very smoothly. Now open the Google Play Store to make sure the device is certified. Check the device certified settings, then about. Device is certified. Let me show it closely. Device is certified. I got the strong integrity pass on my Galaxy Note 9 having the One UI 7 Duhan ROM version 4.0. Thanks for watching my video. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, tap the subscribe button. Thank you. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.